Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the 1xbet bonus amount in Canada. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xbet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. All you have to do is go to your menu. Once in your menu, go to 1x Games. Once in 1x Games, you're going to go to the Lucky Wheel. To achieve this, go to Bonuses. You can play any game of your choice, and you're going to gain money in your electronic purse. Once that is done, you can also go to Casino. For example, go to Promo, and you can see any category of games you may play with your bonus amounts, any one, and that is